Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 172. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5, 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column now, we're only missing a 1. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 4, 5, 5 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 6, and no help here, 2, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 5, 4 here, so 1, 5. So that means that our 4 has to be here. That 4 makes this our 2, 5, and that 2 makes this our 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 6. 8 here, so 2, 6. That means that our 8 for that column has to be here. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 5. And no help here, 2, 5, 6. And for this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 6. So that means the 3 for that box has to be here. All right, let's do some digging in. This 1 makes this our 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 2, 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 2, 6, 2, 6. And this 2 makes this our 8 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.